Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 49 is household chores. Fold. To bend something in half or into a smaller shape, typically in order to store it or make it easier to carry. Iron. To press clothes with a heated iron in order to remove wrinkles. Hen. To fasten or support something at the top, leaving the other parts free to move or to be held in this way. Dry. To remove moisture from something by exposing it to air or heat. Make the bed. To arrange the sheets, blankets and pillows on a bed in a neat and tidy manner. Vacuum. To clean floors, carpets and other surfaces using a vacuum cleaner. Take out the garbage. To remove waste materials from inside a building and place them outside for collection. Wipe off the table. To remove dirt or stains from a surface using a cloth or paper towel. Scrub. To clean a surface by rubbing it hard with a brush and soap or cleaning solution. Repair. To fix something that is broken or damaged. Tighten. To make something more secure or less loose by turning a screw, bolt or other fastener. Nail. To attach something to a surface using nails. Drill. To make a hole in a surface using a drill. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.